Hi guys, welcome back. Ronald's Modern Life. Today, traveling once again to no, we're going to Vegas. Not Austin, we're going to Vegas. First though, we do have a layover in Houston, so we're back to Texas again. But yeah, we're going to be spending 6 days in Vegas. It's my first time there, so I have no idea what to expect. With Austin last time, I had a vague idea as to where we were located and what we were doing. I don't know anything about Vegas. There are monorails. I don't know if we're taking them. I don't know how long the walk is between hotel to hotel. I really don't know anything. One thing that I'm a little bit nervous about is I was a little bit sick last week, and I'm still kind of getting over that. Oh, my bell rang. Richard's here. So I'm still kind of getting over that. So I'm a little bit worried about the flight. My head is a little bit drowsy and a little lightheaded. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we should be landing in Vegas at 4 with a quick hour and 16-minute or something layover in Houston. All right, so let's go once again. Let's go to Vegas. Let's have a great time. I'm seeing Lady Gaga tomorrow, and let's try not to spend too much money in the 6 days that I'm there. So we made it to LaGuardia. Already through TSA. I think the plane board's in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna get something to eat quick, some water. So far I like JFK better, but everybody does. In Houston, we are about to board the plane to Vegas. So far I saw 3 cowboy hats. So I'm in Vegas, didn't even leave the airport yet, and there's an alien slot machine. I'm not gonna play it, but nice welcome. So we're here in Vegas waiting for the lift to go to the hotel. Right over there, it's probably hard to see. That's pretty much the strip, like I'm looking at the Mandalay Bay and the Luxor, and it's kind of blocked right now. I can see the very tip of, I think, the Chrysler building of the New York Hotel.
Yeah, I see it too.
So yeah, so we're here. Weather's nice. It's comfortable. So, all right, now let's see if we can figure out the cab, because they didn't have me tell it where I am exactly, like what row I'm in. So let's see how this works. All right, so we finally made it to the hotel. Here's what we got. So little kitchen area right there with a little seating area. Mini fridge. I did think we would maybe get a full fridge, but we don't, but it's fine. Little living room area there with a TV, and then with another TV. Another little table here. An app for our room service and other, type of hotel stuff. Then in here, bathroom. Really big tub. I think I'm gonna go to Lush later and get a bath bomb and use my first bath bomb. Little bathroom. Kitchen bathroom, it's a sink, same thing. Toilet, stand-in shower, and then of course, because it's Vegas, there's a phone right there. Now the best part, the reason why I kind of booked this place in the first place, is this right here. So I'm gonna hit these buttons. And this is why I wanted to stay here. Windows goes across the whole thing, and then here's the strip. So you got the mountains in the background, which again, I've never seen mountains before, so this is the first time. And everything is pretty much here. So you could even see the palms right there in the back. And unfortunately, there's this huge eyesore right there in the middle there, that little Trump building, but we'll pretend that's not there. This right here is the Bellagio, and the distance is Caesars, and then the Venetian is hanging out over there, and the High Roller, the Link Hotel, we're gonna be there later, and then of course the Bellagio fountains, so I can see that from my room. I don't have to go downstairs and deal with the people. I don't know what's planned next. Right now I'm gonna just unpack, and I have a little bit of a headache, so I'll take care of that. But yeah, this is gonna be our first night in Vegas. We're in the elevator right now, part of the music. Just gonna get something to eat. It's like 7 p.m., but it's actually 10 p.m. My body thinks it's 10 p.m. So we're just gonna go and get something to eat. Since we're at the Vdara, the only way to get out of the strip, or rather on the strip, is to go through the Bellagio. So we're doing that now. What is this monstrosity? I'm not sure what this is, but it's here. Yeah, I'm not sure if I like the Bellagio. I don't know if it's my style. I'm getting Times Square vibes, but in a good way. But still, I'm very red. All right, so we found this chicken place. I don't know what the Blue Ribbon Fried Chicken, Grand Bazaar. We're gonna eat here. It's not that far from the hotel. We may go to Caesar's Palace for the shops, just so I can get myself a bath bomb. But maybe until tomorrow. Depends on how we feel. I'm still kind of tired, and I just kind of want to go just eat and go to bed. So let's see. Either way, I mean, it's kind of like Times Square, just less people, and it's cool weather, I guess. Heading into Caesar's Palace, only because, why the hell not? We're gonna explore more probably tomorrow or later on in the week. But I figure we're right here. I've been looking forward to this for a while, so might as well go in and, you know, get a sneak peek now, you know? So this might be my favorite place so far.
Mine too.
So I surprised him, and I actually traded in our Lady Gaga tickets, and I got us Madonna tickets instead. He's thrilled. We're actually going there right now. So there's a box office. We actually got... Hey. All right. This was my second most anticipated thing to do in Vegas. All right, so I know it's just a fancy mall, but I really like it.
There it is.
Look, I really like it. It's cool. It's a themed mall. It's like cool. It's like if Disney had a mall. A themed Disney mall. I'm on a spiral escalator, and I'm having too much fun. This is really fun. We need these escalators everywhere. So I believe this is the world's largest LCD screen. So the entire thing is pretty much a screen. Uh-oh. It's doing something. Okay, there we go. Scared me for a second. Alright, so we're pretty much calling it a night, I think. We're gonna head to CVS. He threw coins in the fountain.
I did. Especially since the proceeds go to burn-in trauma victims, so I was like, I like that.
And oh, it smells like a pool.
Well, yeah.
So far, the only hotel that we've been to was the Bellagio and Caesars. I like Caesars a lot more. The Bellagio is not really my style, I don't think. But yeah, I think, you know, I think the night is over. I'm tired, and my body thinks it's like midnight right now, so yeah. Back in the hotel, the fountains are kind of going off behind me over there. Time for bed. It's been a long day. Tomorrow we're gonna do some more exploring, and then tomorrow night, the whole reason why we're here, Lady Gaga. So far, I really like Caesar's Palace. I definitely want to stay there the next time that I come to Vegas. So far, so good. Nice weather, but it is time to go. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.